Hello guys, this is Konstantinos from Need for Upgrades, and the very long anticipated video is finally happening. As you can see, we have the red Huracán EVO Spyder. It's finally getting fully upgraded, and come with me, I'll show you what we're gonna do. First of all, as you already saw in our previous stories and content, we installed the Valvetronic carbon fiber hood, which was intended to go on the yellow one, our previous Huracán, which is now with a new owner. We installed the staggered signature wheels, which in my opinion are the best gift for this car. They really fit this color and the fitment and everything. We also matched it with the Novitec lowering springs, which brought the car very low, as you can see. Some of you guys say that it's ridiculously low, but it really fits the stance and I really love it. And we are sacrificing some comfort for beauty. Tomorrow we will install the Valvetronic F1 exhaust. It's a system which I personally wanted to install for a long time now. It's supposed to be the best sounding exhaust for the Huracans. We will install a carbon fiber aero kit, which is basically adding a spoiler over here, replacing the diffuser with the carbon fiber. And at the front we will install the front extension lip and some add-ons. So basically that's what will happen for the exterior. At the interior, for the moment we have only installed the carbon fiber steering wheel. We use the black leather grip to match the dashboard, the white ivory stitching to match the rest of the car and the stitching of the dashboard as well. And the carbon fiber over here is exactly the same like the bucket seats, and it really fits the car amazingly. Good morning guys, jobs are already starting. Amir over here is my assistant for today. We will together try to finish the Lamborghini. We will start by removing the wheels. He will start by removing the rear bumper. To replace the exhaust, we have to remove the whole rear end, remove the cutback and install the new one, which I'm about to show you now. Amir will guide you in the procedure how he will do the removal of the bumper. And at the same time, I will be working at the front and on the body parts to install the aero kit. Let's go have a look at the upgrades. Front bumper lip extension, together with the upper part, rear spoiler and the diffuser. This aero kit is meant to give the car a very nice look. Hopefully we're gonna get some aero performance, horsepower and handling. And over here we have, what else? Our Valvetronic exhaust. Let's unbox it. Oh fuck. I think my neighbors will love me for this, I'm sure. So this over here, it's the so-called F1 exhaust system from Valvetronic. It's one of the most famous systems of 2024 and 25. We saw many people installing them in the US, and I'm very curious to install it on our car as well. Let's see how these things will scream after that. Even though we are not installing the cutless headers, because the car is still under warranty, we don't want to void the warranty, and so on. This is supposed to change the game a lot. Look at these weldings, guys. That's a literal piece of art. Fuck. Sorry about the language. You can use some beep after that on the edit. Can you do that? Yes. Okay, good. Fuck. Look at that. Look at this piece of art. Cannot imagine the noise that will come out of this. Something like this.
So first of all, we want to take out inner part of the fender plastic, so we have access to work. We want to open some screws, stars and 10 millimeters. So let's start to remove this plastic.
Valvetronic over here sent us some gift. Oh, it's a bracelet. Will you marry me? So now I am left alone while the guys are working at the back, and I will attempt to understand how to remove this ugly black lip and install the sexiest lip in the world of dry carbon fiber. First of all, we're gonna need our drill. Unfortunately, we have to remove this black piece over here in order to install the carbon one. There are 1 million rivers underneath. It's gonna be a hard one, but let's get it done. I need to show you the million rivers on this bumper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 million, 10 million one, and goes in here. So all these will have to be drilled. I don't like it, but I will do it. Over here, guys, meet our professional video producer. He's currently here to produce some video for our new website. Many of you may know him, famous Johnny Sim. Sorry. Kypros Petrakidis over here from Beta Drones. He's the best drone operator in the world. Yes, in the world. And yeah, he's here, first of all, to have some fun with us, help us with lighting, help us with some cinematic footage. You will see his job later on our new website. Guys, over here we have our support team for today. We have Andreas and Alexis. They are my special forces in needs. So because now I'm gonna start working, I needed my support team to come and help me. I've seen people removing factory plastics from bumper. It needs some violence. Moments like this, I regret not going to the gym. I hope Lamborghini doesn't see this video. They're gonna send us to jail. Whoa, spot on. See you next week, guys. Thank you. We removed the ugly stuff. We're gonna install the good stuff. Let's see how it fits. I'm thinking not to use any glue because maybe in the future we want to remove it for any reason. And you know our glue is very strong. You can literally glue an elephant on the floor. You're gonna stay there forever. On the roof, sorry, not the floor. Excuse my English, guys. So I hope this video makes you guys understand how easy the body kits and aero kits are being installed. We always post the cars finished. You see some nice looking dressed up sports cars and so on. So this aero kit is made by a company called Pactex. We have never worked with them before. It's something new for us. The good thing with the carbon fiber parts, they are very flexible. So you can put as much violence you want in it in a certain amount of pressure, of course, not to destroy it. So this thing over here is blocking the way of the whole lip to come back, but it has to go here. Otherwise, I'm just gonna cut it. And who cares? I care, but yeah.
Who cares?
I care. Lala, bravo!
Yes.
So in order to install the spoiler, this rear deck lid will have to be removed. Anyway, this will be removed because Amir has to disassemble the whole rear end. We will do 2 jobs at once. Once Amir removes everything, he will pass me over the deck lid and I will do the installation of the spoiler. So on the reassembly, it's all gonna be fitted at once. Hopefully we're gonna save some time doing that. Bumper out, exactly the same procedure as the front. Come over here, I'll show you. Some rivers need to be drilled out. We will remove this and install the carbon one. Lamborghini. Diffuser. Installations. Yay. Yes. Yes. Bye bye. Hello, sexy lady. Let's see what you can do. So now we need to find a way to secure these connectors over here. It was previously attached with these small safety brackets, which we lost, destroyed, or whatever. Anyway, I cannot use them again. So I'm thinking of passing a screw over just to hold it, or we can even glue it with our elephant adhesive glue. What we have to do now basically is mount the spoiler here exactly. To do that, we need to find the correct spot of drilling 1, 2, 3 holes on this piece. That's gonna be a tricky one, because one small mistake may result to unnecessary holes. Nobody wants that. I don't want that. Alexi, I need your help. Hold there. No. So once we find the right fitment, we need to find a way to mark where the holes are. You cannot just randomly screw over here because we're gonna be fucked up. Yo, I have an idea. Let's start it without the exhaust and see how it sounds. Are you guys in? Yes. We have to disassemble these inner plastic brackets, so we have clear access to the underboard and be able to screw the 6 bolts needed for this one. Tecnologia. So bumper is in already. The diffuser will be finally mounted. We are now closing the final bits. We will finish the spoiler installation and then we're gonna install the deck lid here. And basically the rear end is almost done. 2.5 years later. I'm gonna leave Amir here to finish and I will head front to finish the rest of the jobs. So the only way to drill down is from the top. And I just realized that we are fucked. Unfortunately, we will have to drill the visible part and some bolts will be visible underneath this lid. But okay, it is what it is. We are now trying to find the correct spot to drill the holes. This is not a one-man's job, as you can see. It requires talent, patience, precision, sex appeal. Let's see what we did here. Voila. Here we are. Final piece of the puzzle, almost. And look at that. Ah, it's disgusting. Ah. I didn't like it. Man, it's crazy, it's crazy. I want a big shout out to the guys at Valvetronic. You guys are amazing. I'm speechless, really. There is a reason we are working with you guys for so many years. There is a reason you are the best. Top. So here we are, guys. The Lambo is finally finished. It's already being parked together with the rest of the cars in our collection. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed as much we did. See you in the next one.